Because people who are succeeding and winning aren't waiting for shit to happen. They're getting around the way to make it happen. And that's how you have to be. And so, with that being said, my name is Malika Watson. I am the Miami property boss. I know I cut you short for a reason, because I want you to check out my next video when I tell you a lot more about flipping. All right? Flipping is a good thing, man. You know, there's a lot of people I know, they went to the joint, they ain't got nothing going on in their life, and they need a craft, or they need a outlet, they need income, they need shit to do. Man, you will always be needed if you're in construction. So if you even have an inkling of talent and you can get it done, even little stuff, man, there's always going to be a need for you. Robots are not going to replace you, at least in our lifetime. So again, if you want to see the next part, I'm going to talk to you all about flipping, how to